Uma ushade nomuntu onengane zomunye umuntu, uma ushade nomuntu obekade mhlawumbe ngathi ngesiZulu inkomo bezingasaphelele, yazi ukuthi ushade nani? Nenkosikazi yomuntu. Kanti njalo abantwana uzobazala kuloyo muzi loyo oshadele kuwo, ekubeni wena ubushadile before. Ake sithi mhlawumbe ushadile wendele waSithole, yaphela into yakho waSithole, manje sewungene ngapha kwaSibisi. Yazi nje ukuthi labantwana ozobazala nale ndoda yakwaSibisi lentsha akubona abakwaSibisi, abakwaSithole, because wena ufana nomuntu ongeniwe, umfazi. That's why ngesintu you do not divorce a woman. That word al exist in esintwini. You can't divorce a woman because according to isintu neBhayibheli, a woman must only ever in her entire lifetime be with one man, or she must know one man, right? That's why people, I don't know how angazi ukuthi lezi zinto, but I know that is the devil. Come on, I know, I can't say I don't know. Ngiyazi ukuthi uSatan using Christianity to make our people offend, because uJesu you can't tell me ukuthi uJesu wayedakiwe or uJesu didn't know what he meant when he said these words. Uthi uJesu ngenye imini yafundisa abesethi othatha umfazi wendoda, ngizoyifuna le verse, I will paste it here. Uthi othatha uthi he who marries a woman, a divorced woman commits adultery. These are the words of Jesus. It's not me. Angimkhulumeli into angayishongo uJesu. Washo ngizoyifuna le verse, I will paste it here. uJesu usho njalo ukuthi he who marries a woman from another, a woman that has once been in a context, that guy commits adultery. Okubeni vele, that is the law yesintu, and it is the law of the Israelites in the Bible that we read about, of which we know what the Israelites ngabantu. You understand? So uyona, yes, uyona, if you married a non-virgin, you need cleansing. And I'm not saying which these things we condemn people who have done that. No, we're not condemning people. We're just saying which now that we know, sekufanele senze njani silungise lamacala lawo, siwalungise. Because in the realm of the spirit, ayikho lento lethina emhlabeni izinto esizenzayo we throw a middle finger to stuff. Like when things are said, we're like, tsak, siyashada vela sibashadisa abantu day in day out bashada. How many of those people getting married are virgins? How many of those people are entering into second marriages? How many? That is why as black people sihambe sibe ney'nkinga eziningi. Thola umntwana man, I understand ukuthi umntwana yini, why lo mntwana behave kanje. You don't understand. These things are all in the spirit. Izinto esizenzayo la. Noma sekukhulunywa kwakudala lokho, those things are old. Kodwa emoyeni ziyacount. Counts in the spirit. Lengane wena wakwaDlamini bonomfazi mshada, awusekho wena emhlabeni wena Dlamini awusekho emhlabeni. Lo mfazi wakho ubukade ushade naye ngesikhathi usaphila wena emhlabeni, well, now that you are dead, she's married to another man now, and then no rituals are done, by the way. They're just doing it nje like, it's fine. Right now sekashadele kwaSithole. Ingane azoyizala lapha nalo mlisa kwaSithole ezakwaDlamini, akuzona ezakwaSithole. You understand? The children that you give birth to in your new marriage, they don't belong to the man who married you. He might have paid lobola, he might have done all that, of which vele nelobola lakhona, to hell with it, because it's not part of isintu. You understand? It's not part of isintu the way it is done now than when it was done in the olden days. You understand? So you look at all these things, you begin to realize that no man, isizwe esimnyama ne asikazuya ndawo yazi, we're not going anywhere. We are just going to be making circles khona la, circles, because we are offending. Na imbhalo phambi kwethu iyasitshela imbhalo ukuthi no, othatha umfazi obekade nomunye, loyo muntu loyo ne commits adultery already. Adultery is forbidden. 10 commandments. Hello, 10 commandments. It's one of the 10 commandments. You shall not commit adultery. Umuntu wesifazane akakwazi bafowethu ukungenwa ilo wesilisa angene ulo angene. It can. That is why bekunga divorce in the past. Abantu abadala, they understood ukuthi, you know what, ama feelings wakho mama ukuthi wena I feel like this, I feel like this. Those things didn't work, and they didn't take a higher place than umthetho. Umthetho came first. Even though as much as I feel bad, but you know what, it has to be done. And really, they were preserved. Size besiqhubeka siya phambili. Now, instead of observing the law, we observe our feelings. Othatha umfazi, listen, othatha umfazi obekade nomunye. Yazi wena ndoda entsha wena othathe umfazi onabantwana nenye indoda. Yazi ukuthi you are going to raise seed for that man spiritually. So whatever things mhlambe imoya thile ebekade hamba nalo yamlisa wokuqala ne kulabantwana lapha, on these children that came with this woman ne, imoya kade ihlupha labaya, asithi mhlambe kunento ezithile ezimbi noma ezinhle, whatever, izosebenza nakulaba wena ozobazala nalo mama lona, because lalela leya humbu leyana ne, iwumbu yakwaDlamini, idlozi lakwaDlamini recognizes that womb ukuthi nope, this womb is ours. Lo makoto wethu samthela ngenyongo, nathi simthelile ngenyongo, senzile ngesintu. Cha, anenzanga ngesintu, anenzanga, and you didn't do it according to the way it's supposed to be done. And isintu ilizwe iBhayibheli. Isintu iBhayibheli. Lalela, you can fast and pray, curse me, say whatever you say. Isintu iBhayibheli. Simple. Njengoba wena sewuthethe lo mama lona nalabantwana ne, yazi ukuthi the seed that you are raising seed for, you're raising seed for the man who was there before you. Provided indoda mhlambe kade ucacile wenza all those things, wathela wenza yonke lento yangesintu the way it's supposed to be done, then the spirits there, the angels, idalwa, everyone concerned with that family, they recognize this lady that yeah, she's part of the family. So when she leaves and goes out to bear seed for another man, you know what she's doing? She's committing adultery, and she causes the man she's with also to sin. So luyamjita boyithu nje kahle kahle kumele babulawe. According to scripture, they must be killed, they must be stoned, because when uyinkosikazi yomuntu, inkosikazi yalapha kwaDlamini, unguMrs Dlamini phela wena. Emoyeni kwaziwa lento ukuthi wena ngumfazi kaDlamini, but manje wenzani noSithole? Producing seed. Inkomo. Lalela, uvula isibaya sakwaDlamini, Sithole. Cha phela kwamele ujeze mfowethu. You have to jeza. So I know ukuthi these things ne, we like to believe ukuthi azisasebenzi since Jesus came, but uJesu uyanitshela na ukuthi nope, angilandanga kuyichange lento. I did not come to change it. Angizanga nje angilandanga leyo nto ukuthi ngizoyi-change lento le. Lento ngizoyigcwalisa mina. Yayigcwalisa uJesu. It's fulfilling it. Love, fulfillment. Now usho ukuthi manje now that sesisindisiwe ne sesizolandela kakhulu umthetho and siyawazi ukuthi omuphi. Asingeke sithi manje ngoba sesisindisiwe hayi bantu abami khululekani ke mantombazana seningalala hayi lalana nabafana la elokishini seku-right. Sesisindisiwe uJesu usewenzile umsebenzi omuhle, completed job. Jesus is done. Now you can sleep around now, my children. No, ayisebenzi kanjalo. Sleeping around still is an offense. Marrying a woman who has children by another man, marrying a woman who's been with another man, even sexually, a man who does that, he commits sin and adultery because the woman belongs to another. You understand? So ngifuna uku-understand ukuthi nina manje bazalwane niyenza kanjani, which one niyenza kanjani ukuthi iBhayibheli liclear kangaka. Every day niyashadisa nina, every weekend kunemshado, but leyo mshado leyo they are founded, no, not founded on the right principles. Ngiyazi ukuthi lento inzima manje because vele lugcwele everywhere, I know, but ke la ucansi ukuthini ke kuthi umthetho kaNkulunkulu somele simise ke eceleni manje ngoba phela manje awu ucansi is everywhere. No, I think mina still even if we continue doing these things, we are still sinning. We are still sinning, all of us, myself included. You understand? So I don't know, guys. Angazi ukuthi sizokwenza njani, sizothini, because definitely Jesus did not come to say, I know i-adult manje sesingayicommita because inzima lento lena. Hayi guys, it's too much, can't live by the law. It's fine, you know what, let's just have adult. Come here, bend over here, God will forgive us. No, it doesn't mean that. And awukaze nje kwasho leyo nto leyo. It means ukuthi umthetho kaNkulunkulu is still relevant, usasebenza and kusamele siwulandele even in 2025. Oshada nomfazi onengane zenye indoda noma oshada nomfazi oke wathintwa ngomunye owesilisa othize, loyo mlisa uyona mangabe uzoshada a non-virgin, mangabe uzoshada umfazi onengane nomunye umuntu, obviously is already, actually we can just say marrying a non-virgin is committing sin in the sight of God, even though Christianity teaches us good. No, it's fine, man, Jesus has paid it all. If Jesus paid it all now, then we can. So no, phela manje is no longer ngeke sas-recognize because Jesus has dealt with it. Yes, Jesus dealt with sin, so that now sesizoba ngama-virgin kakhulu because we are born again. Because of salvation now, we are going to be even more virgins than ever. Our children now, they will be just marrying them out as virgins. Our boys will not know a woman until the right time. I think that's what salvation is supposed to be, to turn it from getting worse and bring it back on track so that it must survive. And it cannot survive whilst it's committing sin. Sin brings death phela ngithi. Isono siletha ukufa. Sibanga ukufa isono. Ukungcola nje kubanga ukufa, ayikho into enhle that can come out of ukungcola. So instead of ukungcola, because of salvation, kumele ngabe siyahlambuluka, siba clean even more. Ngeke sihlanjululwe izwi kaNkulunkulu and remain filthy ngaphakathi. Ilizwi mali sihlambuluka, siyahlambuluka impela. Nangaphandle kuze kuhlambuluke neskin. Ijwabu leli licwebezele because you are living a good life spiritually. anikeni man ukudlala ngabantu bafundisi, nikeni ukudlala ngabantu nabantu bamasonto, yekani ukudlala ngabantu. Tell people the truth.